So if you guys do recall, man, I've already talked about this Canon or Sigma 35mm lens, the f1.4 aperture that I love to use. And I really use this lens, you know, for maybe 99.9% of my videos. Well, today we got a story about this lens because I'm not feeling it as I was before. And I'm gonna tell you guys exactly why. Because man, this Sigma lens is like, it's dope. It's really dope. Like I said, I use it for 99% of my video work, even when I do YouTube video work. But today we're using our 50mm because this has made a mistake. And I hate it. $799, sometimes $899, sometimes $699. But the lens fails. It's like safety, or either maybe I'm just not careful enough with my products. One speck of sand, one speck of water can throw off the whole entire autofocus system inside this camera lens. And I really hate that for myself. I hate that for the people that's buying it, because it's just that one speck of water or sand can throw off everything. And it sucks. This lens is very great. It's sharp. It's great for both, you know, videography work and also photography work. I mean, like I said, I use it 24/7. Every shoot, everything that I got, I use it for this. This is my best wide angle lens that I have. That's a prime, and you know, that's, oh, you know, it can open up a lot. But I recently got stuck in some rain here, you know, just trying to do like a little football shoot. Got stuck in the rain, and yeah, that little bit of rain that I got hit with, it leaked in my book bag, unfortunately, for one. I had the Peter McKinnick Nomadic 25-liter bag, and I left a little bit of the zipper unlocked, and I'm not unlocked, unzipped or zipped up or whatever, and the water got just a little bit on here. Wasn't even wet. The whole bag was soaking wet at the bottom, like all the fabric in there got wet. But this one happens to be the only lens that got messed up. So when you buy this, be cautious. Keep this away from everything. Like, put this in like a plastic baggie. Put this in some type of dry, damp something. Put this in a bag of rice if you got to every time you shoot. Because one speck of sand or water can truly end your life. Because this is my second one. My second 35mm lens that turned from an autofocus lens to a straight up manual focus lens. I don't know what to do next. I'm not willing to go out and buy another one. I don't want to go buy any other 35. This is I love this, but I think I should just switch to Sony. At this point, I think I'm gonna switch to Sony, man. I'm out. Peace.